रिपीट करना होगा.
And let's tell you now in detail what this entire tamasha is really all about. The Maharashtra showdown over Union Minister Narayan Rane's slap the Chief Minister remark is exploding. It's crazy. It's going on with the detainment of the minister. Now, Narayan Rane, who is also a BJP member, a person who recently became a union minister, has been detained by the Maharashtra police. That's what you're looking at on your screen. Rane was taken by the police from his residence in Chiplun in Ratnagiri district. He has been taken to Sangameshwar police station, where his sons are also present. The Bombay High Court has refused to hear Rane's lawyer's plea seeking a quashing of multiple FIRs filed against Rane for his remark calling for the slapping of Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. The court has also refused to grant him protection from arrest. There has been huge tension and drama and clashes across Maharashtra following these comments from the motor mouth former Shiv Sena member and now BJP minister at the centre, Narayan Rane. Shiv Senics clashed with BJP workers in Mumbai and protested outside Rane's residence. They even burnt his effigy. In Mumbai, Shiv Sena workers vandalized and pelted stones at the BJP office, also in Nashik. The BJP has distanced itself from Rane's comment, but former Chief Minister from the BJP, Devendra Fadnavis, has slammed the Uddhav government, saying this is not the rule of the Taliban. The big question now is, will Narayan Rane be arrested? He's been detained. Will he also be arrested?
मैंने एसपी साहब को पूछा, आपके ऊपर किसका दबाव है? अरे कायदे का राज्य है. 5 मिनट में मुझे अटक करने को बोला है. 5 मिनट में मुझे, अरे आपको अटक करना ठीक है, लेकिन उसका कागज तो दिखाओ, अटक वारंट तो दिखाओ. अभी हमने उनको जो पेपर दिए हैं उसमें कोर्ट के इसमें भी लिखा है कि प्रोटोकॉल, यू हैव टू मेंटेन द प्रोटोकॉल.
Let's go straight across to Divesh, who's live with us from Mumbai. Divesh, what's the current situation? Narayan Rane has been detained. There was some confusion about whether he's been arrested. The courts are not granting him any interim relief at this time.
Shiv, as of now, what we've learned from the police at Ratnagiri, sources from Ratnagiri, is that there are multiple cases that have been registered against Narayan Rane. There were 2 FIRs in Mahad Taluka of Raigad district, while one in Pune and one in Nashik. Nashik Police Commissioner had issued orders that Rane be arrested and produced in court at the earliest. That is why a team from Nashik is already en route towards Chiplun, towards Ratnagiri. They will be reaching Sangameshwar police station any moment now. We were in touch with the police team that has left from Nashik. They've said that they are going to reach Sangameshwar police station shortly and will be taking Narayan Rane into custody. But the Ratnagiri police, which has detained Narayan Rane, has already started procedure of handing him over to the Raigad police. Raigad police, remember there's a case registered, there are 2 FIRs registered in Mahad of Raigad district against Rane, and that is why Ratnagiri police have taken him, have detained him into custody, and now will be handing him over to the Raigad police as per the diary entry that they have maintained at the Sangameshwar police station. Meanwhile, the Nashik police is also on the way to take Narayan Rane into custody. There are multiple FIRs that are being filed. What we hear now is that there is also another FIR. The 5th FIR has been registered at a police station in Thane against Narayan Rane for the statement that he made against Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Multiple clashes were reported between Shiv Sena and BJP workers across the state. Mumbai, where near the bungalow of Union Minister Narayan Rane in Juhu locality, Shiv Sena and BJP workers, there were clashes reported over there. Police had to deploy forces over there. Other than that, Amravati, Jalgaon, Sholapur, Kolhapur, Pune, incidents of stone pelting were reported at all these places. Effigies were burnt. Banners were tossed by Shiv Sena workers protesting against the statement made by Narayan Rane.
In all these places where violence has broken out, what is the current situation? Because, this is hardly giving the impression of a well-governed state, Divesh. The ruling party thugs have gone on the rampage pelting stones, etc. One would imagine that at least in Maharashtra, the police would take its action, whatever needs to be done. But it looks like the Shiv Sainiks have been unleashed as well. This is a reminder of the old Shiv Sena.
Yeah, Shiv, multiple incidents of violence by Shiv Sena workers was reported across the state, multiple districts across the state. As we reported, banners and effigies were torched at BJP offices in Amravati and Kolhapur, in Sholapur, in Jalgaon also. BJP workers and Shiv Sena workers, there were clashes reported over there. At multiple places in the satellite city of Thane, in Kalyan, Dombivli and nearby places, there were multiple clashes reported between Shiv Sena and BJP workers. Some BJP workers were beaten by Shiv Sena workers at these places. And Mumbai as well, similar clashes were reported. Heavy police deployment is being done across all these districts to maintain law and order. But there are incidents of clashes or violence being reported as of now as well. And it started this morning. But as of now also, we are receiving reports of clashes of violence happening at multiple places across districts in Maharashtra. Shiv?
Thanks very much for that. Tense situation in many of these places, emotions running high, a reminder of the kind of Shiv Sena that one was usually accustomed to in the past. When Uddhav Thackeray became the chief minister, there were many unspoken promises of how this was a new Shiv Sena that made the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance a possibility. But it looks like some things never really changed. Listen into what Narayan Rane, however, has said, which has led to this showdown in Maharashtra. And remember, Narayan Rane, a former Sena man himself, is someone who has proven once again to be able to get really under the skin of the Shiv Sena, as these images from across the state have proven. Take a look at what he said.
बोलायचा अधिकार तरी आहे का? बाजूला म्हणा एखादा सेक्रेटरी ठेवा आणि विचारून बोल, त्याशी नाही काय. किती वर्ष आली देशाला संतुलन हिरक महोत्सव काय हे असतो तर कानाखाली चढवली. हे काय देशाचं तुम्हाला स्वातंत्र्य दिनाची माहिती नसावी? सांगा मला किती चीड येणारी गोष्ट आहे.
Well, as Narayan Rane now stares at his arrest over that slap Chief Minister Uddhav remark, here's a look at all that transpired through the day, from what started this all to the huge Shiv Sena BJP street fights in Mumbai and elsewhere. Dramatic day in Maharashtra. Take a look.
Mayhem on the streets of Maharashtra. Former allies Shiv Sena and BJP exchange blows and barbs. Ugly political brawl erupts across Maharashtra. Effigies burnt, offices vandalized, roads blocked. Cops resort to lathi charge to break up charged protesters. The chaos and clashes are the aftermath of a speech by Union Minister and BJP leader Narayan Rane, who wanted to slap Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray for allegedly claiming ignorance of India's independence.
बोलायचा अधिकार तरी आहे का? बाजूला म्हणा एखादा सेक्रेटरी ठेवा आणि विचारून बोल, त्याशी नाही काय. किती वर्ष आली देशाला संतुलन हिरक महोत्सव काय हे असतो तर कानाखाली चढवली. हे काय देशाचं तुम्हाला स्वातंत्र्य दिनाची माहिती नसावी? सांगा मला किती चीड येणारी गोष्ट आहे.
What ensued after the speech was 4 FIRs and the minister now faces arrest. The controversy snowballed when the ruling Shiv Sena workers clashed on the streets of Mumbai.
That's the BJP leader Narayan Rane resident. The BJP workers over there, police asking them to go inside the bungalow. BJP workers are being asked to go inside the bungalow, and here you can see again a lathi charge by the Mumbai police, asking them to go inside their house. Otherwise, see here, they also brought eggs over here. They also brought eggs over here. Now, all the BJP workers are asked to go inside, and the bridge will be barricaded. And these are the leaders. And this is the situation over here right now.
Similar scenes were witnessed in other districts as well. Rane's posters were torn in Pune. Stones were pelted at BJP's office in Nashik. While Ratnagiri witnessed massive protest by Shiv Sainiks. After the outrage, BJP did distance itself from Narayan Rane's remark, but not before hitting out at Uddhav government, claiming that this is not a Taliban rule.
आपको किसी ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है क्या मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर हमला करने का? तो महाराष्ट्र में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन जो है वो कानून का राज चलता है महाराष्ट्र में. अभी हमारे हाथ कानून से बंधे हैं क्योंकि हमारी सरकार है.
इस वक्तव्य के बाद जिस प्रकार से पुलिस का राज चलाने का प्रयास सरकार की ओर से किया जा रहा है, मैं स्पष्ट रूप से कहता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी वक्तव्य का समर्थन नहीं करेगी, पर व्यक्ति का समर्थन पूरे तरीके से करेगी. भारतीय जनता पार्टी नारायण राव जी राणे इनके पीछे पूरी ताकत से खड़ी रहेगी.
Rane's comment has brewed a new political storm in Maharashtra as former allies face off against each other. With Saurabh Bakhtania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Sahil Joshi, who heads our Mumbai team, is with me live on this. He has tracked the political journey of Narayan Rane and Uddhav Thackeray for many, many years and knows more about this entire controversy better than anyone else. Sahil, Narayan Rane proving once again to get under the skin of the Shiv Sena. So in many ways, after that remark, the images we've seen from different parts of the state are not that surprising. But where do you see this going now with the arrest of Narayan Rane?
Well, Shiv, I'm not at all surprised since the time Narayan Rane has been inducted in the cabinet after the cabinet reshuffle. I could sense that there is something brewing because Narayan Rane, known for his anti-Uddhav Thackeray stand, very staunch anti-Uddhav Thackeray stand. It was very clear that his USP is going to be to damage Shiv Sena, to target Shiv Sena, to target Uddhav Thackeray personally in Konkan and Mumbai region, especially Mumbai, because Mumbai is going to face the BMC elections next year. But the current tussle, current fight, what we are seeing on streets of Mumbai and Maharashtra, we should see it in three layers. There is a fight between Uddhav Thackeray or the Shiv Sena and Narayan Rane. That tussle is going on since last 15 years, since the time Narayan Rane has left Shiv Sena and first joined Congress. Then there is a fight between BJP and Shiv Sena, which has been going on since 2014, when the first time Shiv Sena and BJP broke up. Even though they came together and formed the government, we have been seeing that multiple times Shiv Sena and BJP has gone against each other. And from 2019, they have become staunch enemies, even though multiple times it has been tried that the Shiv Sena BJP should try come together. But anyway, now that tussle has gone much further. But the third one, which is, I think, for Maharashtra, for the state, is going to be really difficult. What we saw in Bengal. In West Bengal, it was a fight between the state government and the central government. This is what is going to happen. That's what I believe now. Because the central minister, for the first time in Maharashtra's life, has been taken into the custody and then arrested by the local police and have been taken to the police station. This is for the first time this has happened. This is completely unprecedented. This has never happened before.
Yes.
So it is not going to be the fight between the BJP, between Shiv Sena and Narayan Rane or Shiv Sena and the BJP. Now it is going to escalate further between the state government and the central government. Even the BJP's reaction to the whole episode has always, has changed since morning. The first time when Devendra Fadnavis reacted, he said that they don't agree with what Narayan Rane said. They don't buy his argument. They don't buy his statement. But they will stand behind Narayan Rane. They are against the way the Maharashtra government is acting against it. But now JP Nadda, the BJP president, clearly said that the arrest is unconstitutional. It is asamvaidhanik. That's what the tweet he has made. So now the BJP is supporting Narayan Rane wholeheartedly. But The reactions from Delhi are a little bit slow. We have seen in the past when Kangana Ranawat was attacked by Shiv Sena or
Yes.
the Maharashtra government, when a journalist was attacked, he was arrested earlier. That time the reaction was quite quick, but now this time what we are
Absolutely.
seeing is that slowly the BJP is warming up to Narayan Rane's arrest, and now we are going to see the tussle between the center and the state. It's just the first episode. Multiple such kind of tussles will be happening in next few months. That's what I believe, because the Maharashtra is warming up for mini assembly elections. The next year, 10 major cities in Maharashtra are going to go for
Absolutely.
the municipal corporation election, and the BMC is going to be the toughest one.
Very, very interesting, but there is a method to the madness. There is a reason you're seeing some of these comments being made. Maybe the union minister has been unleashed to put the pressure on Uddhav Thackeray. The BJP versus Shiv Sena fight has never been more fierce or more manifest on the streets of Maharashtra. Thanks very much, Sahil, for getting us that. What a dramatic day. And now Narayan Rane has been arrested. He was detained earlier and now he's been arrested. He's been taken to a police station. Health checkup has been done. The drama doesn't end here. You can expect that it's going to escalate and escalate over this evening. We'll get you the latest from our team in Mumbai with Sahil.